Hello guys and gals. Today we're doing a fuel shutoff solenoid on a John Deere D140 lawnmower, but it's located on the front of the engine, and you want to pull this out with either a 13mm wrench, which I'll show you on the new one. It's grooved out to where you can get a wrench right there, but if you don't have room, if the wrench is too thick, you can also grab it with a pair of needle nose and just vice grip needle nose rather and just turn it with those. And it's got a little plug. It's got a plug on the front. You just take a pick, and it's got a little groove right there. You want to press down and pull the plug at the same time, and it'll pop right out, no problem. But anyway, once you get I already got everything pre-loosened and taken out, but this is your plug. If you're concerned about any fuel getting on the ground, on your floor, or whatever, your garage floor, you can put a funnel, a little catch pan there, and you're going to screw this out. Alright, and you see that you got this plunger here. As you can see, it's not pushing in, but when you cut the key switch on, this should retract, and that's going to allow fuel to get past this, to get to your carburetor, to your fuel system, to allow it to start. So, if you're in a pinch and you want to cut grass, you can take some WD-40, PB Blaster, brake cleaner, or whatever, and spray down in here and work it. Which I actually done that to initially. Thought it may, I got it freed up, and then it got stuck again. I mean, once it gets gunked up, it's never going to be the same. So I got me a new one, and you can get these right off of Amazon for like $10. You can just type in fuel shutoff solenoid for John Deere D140. And there's other models, I mean, that basically had the same setup. So if you don't have this model, you're going to have something similar, and it could be the same issue. But it's common with these. Okay, I got the new one, and of course you can see when I cut the key switch on, this should retract just like that. And when I cut it off, it's gonna pop back open. And if I see, I wanted to tell you too, the washer, there's a thin washer on here, metal washer, so be sure the old one don't stay on when you take the old one off, and make sure the new one's on. It comes with a new one, so you can see it there. But anyway, we're gonna pop this back in, or pop this in rather. And we're gonna tighten it up and plug her in, and it should start right up. Alright, that's good and tight. And the plugs. Okay guys, I got the solenoid in with the washer. Got the plug connected. Okay, and now we're gonna start her up. She should start right up. So yeah, if you've got a cranks but won't start issue with the John Deere D140, little 15-minute $10 repair won't hurt to try if you're not sure. So I mean, and if anything, you can take this out. You don't even have to buy the part, just take this out, and if it's seized up, like I said, take some PB Blaster to it, get it freed up, and then try it. I'm pretty sure it'll start right up for you.